Hi, I'm Mark from the locals at Ray White and welcome to 573 New North Road. I'm here at Unit 6 because our lovely vendor has decided that she wants to go to a retirement village next. Retirement. Roll out of bed at about 10. Chuck some Jeremy Kyle on the TV. Food gets delivered to your door. Maybe a cheeky midday drink. Tried that last weekend myself, nearly got a divorce. Anyway, let's take a look around. Two beds and a bath, a fully fenced north-facing back garden with a covered deck, and an off-street park. This style of home will never go out of fashion. Kingsland is where it's at, whatever it is. It's low maintenance here, perfect for first home buyers and downsizers. Come along and take the tour this weekend, we'll show you around.